Good morning friends. Today we will study the security components and their threats. The content we will study the different security components such as the confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication and the access control. We also study the security threats on the confidentiality, integrity as well as the availability. Security component, confidentiality. Computer security is based on the 5 main components, that is confidentiality, integrity, authentication, availability and the access control. Confidentiality, it is the concealment of the information or resource. One security mechanism for preserving the confidentiality is the cryptography. Another definition of the confidentiality is let X be an entity and I is some information. I has the property of confidentiality will refer to the X if no member of X can obtain the information I. In a real life application, the major focus on the preserve the confidentiality are military application as well as the government department. So ultimate our here aim is to confidentiality to achieve the privacy. Second in the integrity, it refers to the accuracy of the data. It preventing improper or unauthorized change of the data. Integrity mechanism are fall into two categories or we say two classes. Preventive mechanism, it seek to maintain the integrity of the data by blocking unauthorized attempt to change the data. Detection mechanism, it do not try to prevent violations of integrity. They simply report that the data integrity is no longer trustworthy. Another definition of integrity, let X be an entity and I is some information or resource. Then I has the property of integrity with respect to the X if all the member of X trust on the I. All the commercial security policies is a security policy developed by to provide the data integrity. Availability, it refers the ability to use the information or resource desired. The aspect of the availability that is relevant to the security is that some may deliberately arrange to deny access to data or to the service by making it unavailable. Another definition of availability, let X be an entity and I be some resource. Then I has the property of availability with refer to X if all the member of X can access the information I. Authentication, it refers to establish the proof of identity. The authentication process ensures that the origin of an electronic message or document is correctly identified. For example, if X send data to the Y, then Y have the enough information to identify whether the data is originated from the X or not. Generally, password-based biometrics and the public key cryptography used for the authentication purpose. Access control, the principle of access control determine who would be able to access what. For instance, we should be able to specify that user A can view the records in the database but cannot update them. There are two types of access controls, discretionary access control DAC as well as the mandatory access control that is known as the MAC. DAC, if an individual user can set an access control mechanism to allow or deny to access an object, that mechanism is known as the DAC. It is also known as the identity based access control mechanism, that is the IBAC. MAC, when a system mechanism control access to the object, an individual user cannot alter the access. That control is known as the MAC. Occasionally called rule based access control. So operating system that we use in the computer system is one of the example of the mandatory access control list. Security threats, it is the property violation of the security. Security threats are classified into two categories, attack and the misbehavior. What is the attack? Attack include an action that intentionally aim to perform some damage to the network. We can divide the attacks on the basis of origin and their natures. So on the basis of origin, we can divide the attack into two categories, internal attack as well as the external attacks. On the basis of nature, we can split the attack into two categories, passive attack as well as the active attack. Next is the misbehavior. Misbehavior, it is a threats that can result unintentionally damage to the other node or the network is known as the misbehavior. So this is the classification diagram in which we can classify the security threats, attacks as well as the misbehavior. Attack is classified on the basis of origin, it is the external attack as well as the internal attack. On the basis of nature, we can say passive attack as well as the active attack. Threats on the security component, security attacks, snooping and the traffic analysis, threat on the confidentiality, modification, masquerading, replaying and the reputation, these are the threats on the integrity. Denial of service, that is the threats on the availability. Snooping, snooping refer to unauthorized access to or interception of the data. Snooping is basically listening of the what you are doing. Traffic analysis refer to obtain some other type of information by monitoring online traffic. Modification means that attackers intercept the message and change it. Masquerading or spoofing happen when the attacker impersonate somebody else. Replaying means that attacker obtain the copy of message sent by user and later try to replay it. Reputations means that sender of the message might later deny that she has sent the message. The receiver of the message might later deny that he has received the message. Denial of service attack, DOS attack, it is the very popular attack, is very common attack. It may slow down or totally interrupt the service of the system. This attack is available on the availability property of the security. Thank you. For this contents, we can follow these are the books, Security, Cryptography and the Network Security by William Starling, Cryptography and Network Security by Atul Kahate, Cryptography and Network Security by Frozen. Thank you for watching this video.